So this wallpaper is approximately $200 US per roll. And in the course of hanging my wall covering, I noticed on the roll that there was a little stain prior to hanging. Where is it? There it is. I noticed this stain and I wiped it a bit and it didn't come off. And I said, before I hang this sheet, do I have enough wallpaper for the rest of the job? You know, ideally, you just take the sheet and you literally just discard it or use it for somewhere else. But I want to show you that if this happens to you and you don't have a budget to be buying extra wallpaper and you're stuck with this, I can tell you, you're not stuck with it. So what we're gonna do is get rid of it. You agree? Let's get rid of that. See, here's our stain. And I'm just going to cut it out of there. Okay? I'm just going to cut it out. Saturate this area. And make sure this pattern on this top sheet is directly over the pattern underneath it. Using a hobby knife and taking a sip of Spencer Colgan coffee. By the way, did you know that I was voted the top wallpaper installer in the entire Tampa Bay area? It's true. It's true, and nonetheless, it's true. Okay, folks. Knowing where our problem is, we have now allowed the wall covering to relax. And we're going to trim along the edges of color in order that we can hide, albeit a narrow incision, our incision. And so we will begin here, just below there. Now I'll be looking at the wall and you'll be looking through the camera. Whoa, I'm creating a shadow, I can't see. Alrighty. Okay. What I like about this challenge is it's eye level. The lady who owns this place, well, the lady of the house, I'd say she's eye level with this. And that's what makes this such a challenge. Okay? Okay. You never want to make people disappointed in the product they purchased. Here's what wallpaper hangers do sometimes. We're kind of like psychologists. We don't tell people your wallpaper's garbage without absolute necessity. We don't say it. It's not good for business. And if we can avoid it, you don't tell people that their wallpaper came stained, because some people freak. I paid, do you know how much I paid for this? Now, ideally, this comes right off. Let's see if it does. Okay. 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 There we go. Came right off. There's no Photoshop on this, folks. No Photoshopping. Let me do a little surgery with two hands. And when we're removing it, let's put some paste in there. We can always displace it, but we're gonna put some paste in there. All right. Okay, let's put our patch in. Let's put our patch in. You're going to use your thumb to make the edges flush. Okay? Oh yeah, you're going to use your fingernail in there and eventually a roller to make it all meet up. Let's wipe this down and blot it off, the excess paste. Let's blot off the excess paste. I'm going to be honest, I don't even know where the repair is right now. Oh, there we go. When you take your eye off it, you can't see it. Okay, now, let's roll it. Let's get our excess paste out of there. See the excess paste? Pretty cool, right? That's the one above it. And that's the one below it. It beats changing out the whole sheet, you know? If you can do it, if you have the pattern that's, look, you can't do this with every wallpaper. And some wallpaper hangers can't do this with any wallpaper. And that's not a play on words. Happens to be true. Okay, so if you like it, please let me know by a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.